Dove in the shop today. I'll climb up there once. Come here, you punk.
You can almost catch him, huh?
Yeah, he's pretty tame. Come on, birdie.
It's a kitchen.
Come on.
Yeah, pitching, I guess, is not really dove.
Looks like it. Kind of both or whatever. He's got a tag on his foot though. He must be from somewhere. He can't be a wild one.
This isn't your roost.
Yeah.
Wrong roost.
Yeah.
I don't know if I trust that.
It's pretty sturdy, but I don't know if I would. Here, maybe chase him out.
Yeah.
Chase it out with the.
Come on, birdie. Come on, birdie. I don't know where you think you're going. There's not a whole lot of room up there, I hope.
Run out of real estate, bird. Get it. It's just
You're a
deeper
punk.
and deeper in the corner.
You're a punk. Come on.
There we go. Hi.
No.
Did it take off?
No, it's on top of the garage door now.
I'm gonna have to capture him.
It's on top of the garage door?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Then we'll just shut the door and out he goes.
Maybe.
Oh, so close.
You are a tame freaking little guy, aren't you?
Climb on.
I could almost probably jump and get him now.
There he climbed on.
Over right again.
One more. He's just like, nope. You're a punk.
If you get out right like that, can we get a stick or something to kind of chew them out the rest of the way?
Yeah.
Or a broom handle or something over here?
There he goes.
Hey! It's hay.
What's the deal? Why can't you go out right